everybody, welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you guys riding along with us. We got an action-packed day, Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, and then we wrapped it all up today and got almost about 3,000 pounds in. So tune in and hit that like and subscribe button as well. It helps us out. We really appreciate it. Thanks, and let's go. Hey, happy Sunday. Welcome back. This was something that we got on top of a table on the last run. And this definitely ain't metal. So boom, there you go. Out at the street. We are nice and empty. We are ready to go. Let me bring you in the back. Show you what the front half of the day has produced. It's really not too bad. We got a big old fridge, a couple of big old stuff over here, dog cages that are taking up a lot of room. There's really not a whole lot over here. It just looks like more than what it is. These will be going in the back. We probably have about one load in here, so but that's good. We'll take it. So off we go. Grill time. That's the way we start the day, is with a grill, you see. All kind of stuff right in a small area. We're gonna whip this grill in there and literally just pop right around the corner. You see that right there? There's a whole bunch of stuff. Just a ton of like concrete on that. So I don't think we're gonna be taking this. I mean, just look at all the oof. Tons of concrete. We don't want concrete. Ew. Get off of me. We are gonna take that nice piece of aluminum. Oof. Goodness. Thought that was my ankle. God, I hit my ankle earlier. Oh. That's all that I can tell you about the pain of hitting my ankle earlier. All right, the first thing that's going in the bed. Put that in there. You know, I don't know if I want a bunch of glass in there, but this thing is really kind of awkward. So I don't see why we can't put that in there as well. Here we are. Big team lift on 3. 1, 2, and 3. We did not play everybody's favorite game. There's a bunch of kids out, so I don't like recording other people's kids. So just so you see, we got this refrigerator, and we'll see you on the next one. He always hooks us up. How you been? Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. You know I saved it. Out of my mom's house, we took all these old cans out.
That's awesome.
And you want them out of the boxes?
No, I'll take that. Unless you want the boxes.
No, I would just put them in the in the bin.
No worries at all. Bed frame. Let's see if they'll fit back here. Yes, they will. Nice. Oh, thank you so much. Have a great day. All right. Trying to utilize this bed a little bit more. I was just going to work on the back of this. Hey now, get out of there. Going to work on the back of the truck. Seeing how much we can stack in this thing. Hey, what is going on with this thing? Oh, big money, no whammies. I'm gonna say this is a stainless one. And the reason I'm gonna say that is because that's what it is, baby. I ain't even took the magnet to it yet. Team lift. Goodness. Thank God I got you guys. Desensitized and non-magnetized. Here we go, ready? Told you. I just had that feeling. All right, so this thing is beat. You can see just from the sides. Certain ones I do try to resell, certain ladders, but if they look like they've been through it, then that's a nope. All right, I think this one's gonna go right up here, but we gotta loosen some stuff up. So we're gonna restrap this. Oh, electronics, baby. DVD player. Somebody was saying to me that it's really hard to get like a VHS player anymore. So, yeah, I think that's what they were saying to me. So, all this stuff we're gonna keep, no matter what, just to, at the very least, to rip the circuit boards out of. But we'll see if there's any resale value in these things first, and then we'll go from there. Oh, and do you guys remember that what was it that we grabbed? That big speaker the other day? Last week we grabbed a big speaker. Well, it works, fully works, Bluetooth integrated and everything. I had it bumping out there earlier today. So, very interesting. Yeah, grill time, baby. We are doing some grilling. Not really. Let's see. Hey, if we team lift this thing. Hey now. Look at that. Beautiful little area. Oh, you know what I am happy about? Let's switch subjects here real quick. This is a real quick subject. Whoa, hey, thank you so much. Have a great day. So messed me all up. I was gonna talk about my Patriots. My Patriots are just horrible this year. The one good thing is that we can still beat the Jets though. So, I mean, as long as we're still beating the Jets, then I'm gonna stay relatively happy. Hey, we gotta strap this thing down. I don't know about what we got going on back here right now. It's still tight? Yeah, it's still tight. Suspect, but it's tight. We got a bicycle. 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 I want to ride my bicycle. I think we got to put it right there. We're gonna have to redo a strap here. Big team lift. Oh my goodness, that was a big one. That was a big one. Oh, come on, get over there. Oh, come on. Let's see here. Oh, this feels a little sketchy. All right. I do think that's gonna work. We like this. Here we go. This has been a nice little load. Nice little load. What I do want to do though is somehow maybe get these over here like this or something. Get this in first, and then we'll slide these where there is room. Let's see how that works. Yes. Yes, couple of air gaps in there, but I feel like we got a pretty strong load going so far. I mean, everything's kind of, it's a little funky, it's a little crazy. We got some good non-ferrous going on. We got some halfway decent weight. Yeah. And we got some stuff in there. All right, we will take this. This is metal. We like that. We'll definitely take this. We're gonna take that. We're gonna take all kind of stuff. Taking it all, big and small. Oh, we just got that pot rack. Are these metal? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, heavy. Heavy, heavy Eddie spaghetti. All three for 10 bucks. Or I'll put them out on the road and you can take them for free. I like the second deal a lot better. Oh, and while we're parked in this spot, jump right over here. Oh. Leave those. What are you, a bunch of ants? Yeah, that's a pretty nice little cooler. I need another cooler like I need a punch in the head. But it's a pretty nice little cooler. It's an interesting little contraption. Oh yeah. I'll take this, put that there. Take these, find a spot for them. You know what I just did? I just smashed myself right in the bridge of the nose. With the camera. When I was putting it on. Because that's what we do, boo-boo. We smash ourselves in the face. But don't spill anything. Oh yeah, she's nice and clean. She ain't really skunky either. Ready, team left, 1, 2, 3. Ah, team left, team left, team left. Ah. All right. I think we're in the just start loading stuff in there phase. Righty. Alrighty. Some more for the back of the truck. I did not do that. That was like that when we got her. Alright. We are well on our way. This one, you see this, and once again going in the back of the truck. Hey, we just keep stacking the truck. The biggest thing with stacking this truck is going to be making sure that we don't yank it up. You guys know what I mean. Just got to be chill about everything. Got that thing. There's just a bunch of kids out there, so once again, I didn't want to be recording on people's kids. But this here, how interesting is this? Yep, you're coming home with me. Full bucket. All kind of little toys in there. That's a full bucket of toys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Star Wars stuff. Lightsabers. All that. We'll take all the toys. Guitar George. He knows all the chords. Yes. Oh yeah, there's some metal on there. We like a little metal on there, right there. Let's see, can we go up top here? Up top of thing? Yeah. Keep it going. I'm not really sure how I feel about all this load. I mean, we're stacking. I could still get something big in right there and then take all that and stack it on top of it. So let's go. Let's get something big. Fan time. Fantabulous. All right, so there's still a big old gap right there. What are we doing? We're breaking in people's houses? Going in people's yards? No, this is my parents, my in-laws. So going in, they've had this stuff patiently waiting for me for a little bit now, as I've been incapacitated, let's call it that way. But now we're back. We are back. Look at that place. Get in there. Oh yes. Oh yes. Right. I don't even know what to think about this. Different. We like different though. Different is what makes the world go round. If we were all the same, that would be monumentally boring. Oh yeah, look at that. Still holding hopes for that one more thing. Either way, we gotta stack some stuff in there. Hey, yes. Boom and boom equal a boom boom. Look at that little chair. Yeah, absolutely. That's music to my ears. Put that there. Let's get a car. Boy, do not. Saying right now, do not hit that truck. Dude. No idea where we're gonna put all this stuff. But I think that's half of the fun of it. Finding cool spots to put stuff. I think that's gonna go right over here. We don't have a very high stack today, if that makes sense. I guess the front has a little junk in the trunk. Quite honestly, the back is lacking. Lacking. With the power. Oh yeah. You know, it may not be crazy, but I do feel like we got some weight on this thing. I feel like we got some individual things on there that maybe weigh a little bit. We're gonna leave all that stuff. Ooh, I feel like there's something biting me. You biting me? Who's biting me? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna hit that with a monster strap. Look at that. Made a nice little pocket in there too. Pocket. poly pocket. They made a nice what poly pocket. Yeah. All right, so now I think we're gonna call off anything big. And now that I said that, we'll probably go right around the corner and there'll be like a washer and a dryer. That kind of thing. Ah, man, nice little bucket. Do we want that dirty bucket? You know I do. I wouldn't have said it if I didn't want the dirty bucket. Don't want you to break though. I look forward to breaking you at a much later date. Yeah, yeah. All right, throw the strap back over and we are done for fun. This is something, that is something. I think we'll come back for that.
Do you take like car batteries?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I have one here.
Oh, sweet. Thank you so much. This we can take. Come in here real quick. Oh. Ooh, these are light. Don't do that. Don't do that. Awesome.
It's very heavy. I won't
No problem. Thank you so much. Hi.
I know there's a guy that comes and
Yes.
believe it.
Yes.
Pick up the metal
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Here.
That's what we do. You want that gone too?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Huh?
Oh, I said, what else
Yeah,
do you need?
right? Thank you so much. And these. And we good. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Let's see, we'll put this down here. Maybe we'll get another strap on that. That over in there. No, no, no. None of that. Made it through it. I think this is gonna be about it. I mean, we'll bring you back if we get anything else, but I think we're about to start heading back towards the house. All right, let's go. What a day. All right, we are back, and that's how we are finishing up the day. What a day, what a day, what a day. But we will talk to you guys in the morning. Okay, maybe we'll take off that bike real quick and then restrap that, and then off we go. Back half really took form, so decent load, should come off pretty quick. It's a little, look, I got a sweatshirt on. If you don't know about me, I am a baby when it comes to cold stuff. So it's like in the 60s, high 60s, so sweatshirt weather. See you in a few. Bringing you out, letting you see what's going on here. The yard is kind of a mess. Jill and Mike are gone this week, so that is fun. So we'll see what kind of a week we have. Yes, so we are gonna unload this thing. I'm not gonna take you with me because you watched me load it, and Yes. We'll bring you in on the next one. Good morning, you sexy thing. So you got a new refrigerator, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
New work.
Huh?
New to us.
Right.
Yeah.
Good, light?
Yeah. Look at this thing.
Yeah, I was all excited. It's been a while. It has been a while.
What are you doing with it? Heavy, huh?
Yeah? You want it over there, over there, over there? I don't know what this is, but I thought of you.
What is this?
That's a net.
I know, but for what? It's pretty small.
It is pretty small.
Does it stick?
No, it's no sticky. No sticky icky. Team lift. Huh? Grass?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Saving it?
No.
No.
But do I have any more brass to go with it? I got dirty brass.
One battery?
Yeah, one battery. One battery.
She's all excited.
What?
She's excited about the fridge.
I know, I seen the post.
She was like, yay!
She put, that's how you know you're getting old.
Yeah.
It's like a fresh start though. It's like a fresh start. Yo, you ready for this scale?
Yeah.
Boom, you good? Battery. Huh. One battery. And the big nasty. Schmaggle. I keep that. What's that? 1280 in the back?
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
I can put that in.
It's up to you. I got the ticket. You want the ticket? There you go. There you go. Oh, that's going out back. Should already went out back. We got cords that are going. Little stuff up front here. We'll get that on the next round. Our bucket. That be it. Man, I got like a month worth of cords.
Good. For your girls.
No, just I forgot to do it. Oh, we still doing stuff?
No, I just seen how much weight is here. I don't think there's enough to change it.
This little bad boy. That thing don't weigh anything. I think that's it. This is copper. This is copper. Little screws. More copper. More copper. Anything else? I don't think so. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. It changed it. We're living. I put some in the bed last night. I said I put some in the bed last night. Look, I put all my electronics up here.
All the stuff you found?
All my electronic stuff. Yeah, I found some toys.
You're trying to have a yard sale.
Another one.
Like this month?
I still haven't even done the video from the last one. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. All right, here we are. Team lift on 3, 2. Look at us with the power. The power to devour. All right, well, we're gonna keep running this neighborhood. This is home neighborhood. See if there's anything out for us. It's out. Oh, look at the baby. Hi, babes. Hi. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. What are you doing? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. All right, go home. Go home. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. I love animals. Yeah, okay. Go home. Go home. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I know. I know. I gotta see you later. Stack them up. Stack them up, baby. Team left. 1, 2, 3. Team left. Moving right along. That's obviously coming out at the house. Boom. See how much we can get in this thing. Fill her up, fill her up, fill her up. All right, let's see what we got. I see we, oh no, it's plastic. That's some metal though. We'll take that. That's plastic, that's plastic. Oh, it ain't metal. Is it metal? No, it's like a big light. Well, there's some electronics in there, so we'll take that. We'll take some wires. You know, I noticed when I was doing the video yesterday, I missed a chair. I missed a whole chair. I'll take that too. Yesterday, in one of those big piles. I'm like, man. Eat. Sweet little score right here. For running down the back neighborhood. It'd be even better if the copper's still there somewhere. Boom. All right. We're gonna finish loading this up and we will see you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I can't get this song out of my head. Do 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 do. Somebody tell me what that's from. I know what it's from, but do you guys know where it's from? Two-wheel motion. Oh, she's falling apart, folks. She is falling apart. No, no, no. Come on. Don't you fall apart on us. We are almost there. Oh my goodness. This thing is a mess. Look at that. Backside's falling off. Front side's falling off. Everything's falling off. Need you to stand up tall there. Trying to get her up in here. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Take a walk with me and tell me, who do you love? And yes, they work. It's not what I'm here for, though. I'm not here for the yes, they work. Little home neighborhood doing all right. Doing all right on the day. We will get this thing loaded down. Loaded down. Take this, and take that. Oh, look at that, some girl parts. Look at us go. Take some cast for sure. How you doing, good sir? You know, these are plastic. Plastic can stay here. This is also plastic. You can stay here as well. Nothing under there. You could come with us. Get in there. We like that. And these. Yes, overall, not too bad of a, I mean, we haven't even been out an hour. I like it. I'll take that. I'll take this. And we'll take these two. And I think we're about done. I think it's about head to the house and let's start loading up from, we have to unload that, load up some other stuff. We are back at the house. So you can see this is really what we got. My neighbor right down the road had this. She's like, hey, you want this? I'm like, oh yeah, you know I do. So we got that as well. That's gonna go right up on here. But this was pretty much everything that we just got from that last run. The bikes that were there and these bad new nuggets, they're in the back. I'll bring you back there right now and show you what we're looking like. That's the sign of somebody who's guilty right there. Huh, are you guilty? Yeah, you are. Enough. She's barking at squirrels. She's being a maniac today. All right, so this is all the washers and dryers that we have right now. There was our pressure washer from the other day. Unfortunately, right now we don't have a washer and dryer guy. So, well, we do, but he's only taking combos because I opened up my big mouth and gave somebody else his info, and now he's just got too many of them. So, lesson learned not to do that again. And this is our pile of bikes that we have started. So there's probably about 15 or so in there right now. But it's a good start, good start. I don't want to get to the point where I'm bringing 40 bikes every time I go over there. Yeah, guilty, you're guilty. Yes, you are. All right, I'm about done with this stuff over here too. This bench is about to go in. It's been up on Marketplace forever. No, nothing. So that may go today, actually. I'm sick of looking at it. The weights, I'll just put somewhere and hopefully we can do something with them. But the bench is gonna go. All right, well, we'll see if that thing's gonna go soon too. I've now neglected it, so it may go as well. I don't know, I may plug it in again, see if it works. This is the side of the house right now after we loaded everything up. It's still maybe quarter of a load, maybe something like that. But this will be Thursday. We have service work for plumbing tomorrow and Wednesday. Shoo. And this is our trailer. Woo! We got her packed down. Indeed, that we do. We got some cast that I'm not bringing in right now. Maybe next week. Towards the end of the week, something like that. But just to show you the trailer, there you go. That's all the stuff from yesterday. We put all the washers and dryers in the back, all the bikes. So we'll see what this bad nugget gets us here. She is strapped down. I'm gonna go get some food, and then we'll go on after that. See you guys in a little bit. Some dude just called. Dude just hit me up on Marketplace, cussing me because I wanted to, because I'm selling that generator that isn't working properly, but I put on it that it's not working properly, and he called me some bad words. He did. Oh boy, he disturbed my peace, so I disturbed his peace, and we're not friends. We're not friends. We decided to block each other, so that's fun. All right, well, that's a load. Why, you on trade? So Jeffy.
Hi.
Hi.
That's a nice looking grill.
That's a nice looking grill. No, it ain't.
Fine.
No. stretches. I don't think I'm gonna bring you with us on that, but not too much. All right, we'll see you later. Right in the road, Jones here. Beautiful. Team lift on 3, 2, 1, and a team lift. Bada boom. Push that up front. There we go. Getting started on tonight's run early schmerly. We got some other stuff up here too, hopefully, on our way back. Yepper! Oh, look at that radio flyer with the little training wheels on it and everything. That's a nice little radio flyer. Well, we give away all of our bikes anyway, so we'll see if Miss Karen wants it. She loves radio flyers, so hopefully one of her grandkids can use it. Microwave. Score on that. Wait, get out of this guy's way. And a little water heater action. Yeah, pick up with the legs, not the back. Oh man, not so good water here in Florida. This thing is heavy. It is loaded. Well, what do you call it? It's fully out of it too. Look at that. What was in there? Holy goodness. I don't even want to put my hand down there. Oh my God. Way heavy. Way heavier than I want to pick up. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, come on. Oh, and of course, I'm an ant. Of course. There's always an ant pile. I can not stay out of them. Just can't. Tear my... I almost used a cuss word. Tear me up. Ants. Thank you. Oh, there's one biting me. Just get down on it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I thought there was, yeah, there he is. Went running. Man, killing me. Oh, another one. Ants. The best way to not get bitten by ants is to not step in ant piles. If you don't disturb their home, they won't bite you. Let's go home. Speaking of homes, let's go. And it's everybody's favorite time of the day. It is quote of the day, quote of the day, quote of the day. Patience is a virtue, but there comes a moment when you must stop being patient and take the day by the throat and shake it up. If it fights back, fine. I'd rather end up bloody at the end of the day than unhurt with no progress made, no knowledge gained. I'd rather have a no than nothing. I'd forgotten that about myself. Yep, that's pretty gangsta, and it's the truth. So yeah, it really is. It's good to have patience, but that kind of tells me is don't let people walk on you while you're trying to be patient either. So anyway, that is your quote of the day. All right, everybody, that's the end of the day. This morning's run was about 1,400 pounds, and this afternoon's run was almost 13, for a total of 27.26. And we did about $225 in monies. I'm not going to go through everything. To be real with you, I am a little aggravated right now. You guys don't see this side of me very much. Without going into too much, I'm not even going to get into it. How about that? I'm not even going to get into it. More car issues. You know, let's get into it. They just called me and said a week after having the car, 8 days after having the car, they called me back and said that the bank declined it and now they need to raise my monthly payment. So I told them, come get this car. Come get it. Because I ain't paying a dime over what I was. And you can deliver my other 2 cars out here. So that's kind of where we're at right now. He's going to talk to his supervisor and get back to me. But anyway, so that's a day. That's a thing. I don't even know if I'll keep that in there. But yeah, we're going to keep it nice and short today. So if you would, please check us out on all of our social media. We are Junkman5000 on everything except Twitter, where we are the Junkman5000. T-shirt drawing coming this Friday, the 13th. I think we're going to do it about 6 p.m. So that's when we'll start going live. Hopefully we'll let some people get in. Hopefully about like 6:15 or so we'll do the drawing. Yes, so we're going to call it. That's the end of the day. Hope you all enjoyed the ride along. Remember, there is no us without you. Team Lift is more than just physical, so if you can help somebody out today, I encourage you to do so. That's a day, and we will talk to you on the next one, which is going to be in about a couple of hours. So thank you, have a good day, and God bless.